Hello everyone, this is Anand Ranjan, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Application, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Welcome you all in the video lecture series of Digital Electronics. In this video, we will talk about the code converters and especially binary to BCD code converter.
Code conversion. Okay, and of course we have already seen lot of code, means like binary code, BCD code. Yes, if you remember. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first of all, we'll start. Means of course there is a wide variety. Means there is a lot of number system we are having, like BCD, XS3, gray, and so on. So sometimes the circuit which you actually design that will support a specific code. Okay. So in that case, you need these code converter circuit by which you can use those circuit to change your given code to a desired code or desired pattern which you want. Okay. So first we will start with number one. We'll start with the binary to BCD converter. Okay. Binary to BCD converter. Okay, and again because these all code converter circuits are comes under the category of the combinational circuit, so we will follow the four steps which we have already means stating from starting. Means first of all we have to identify our input and output, then construct a truth table, then find the Boolean expression, try to reduce that Boolean expression either using the K-map or the Boolean algebra, and then the simplified Boolean expression will be implemented using the basic logic gate. So this is the standard procedural protocols for designing any combinational circuit, and the same thing we are going to again follow in the code conversion itself. Okay. So first of all, of course, just we have seen that a binary number and the BCD number. BCD numbers are actually starting from 0 to 9 only. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And binary number could be any number. Okay, means any digit number. But for the sake of simplicity, what we are going to do means we are considering only 4-bit binary number. Okay, and accordingly we will do this kind of thing. Okay, so first of all, just we are assuming. Let me draw one table, because this table might be very useful for the upcoming code conversions also, because I need 16 entries. Okay, so starting from this, if I am considering this as, let's say, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good, excellent. So now, yes, let me first draw it. Uh, 1, 2, 3. Let's take this as 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I'm going to write in it, let's take this is as A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take one more. All right, so let's say these are my binary code. Binary code, and this is the BCD code. And starting from the LSP, so we'll start with B0, B1, B2, and B3. Okay, so we are representing general alphabet for the binary, and B symbol B0, B1, B2, B3 for BCD code. Okay, and let's take one more. Just we will give you an explanation why I am going with this B4 here. Okay, and let us complete this table in this manner. Am I audible and board is visible to all of you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want to do more columns, if you want to insert, you can do that. Yeah, if you, that will be like this. You have to practice to make this kind of table, because in code conversion this is very much common to almost all kind of code converters. So once you able to make this kind of table, your life become comfortable to make such kind of circuit designs. Okay, so all right. So now tell me that if you are considering the 4-bit binary code, then those 4-bit binary code will consist of all 16 combinations, starting from all 0 to all 1. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is starting with all zeros to all ones. Okay. So all of you need to write it in your copy. I am going to use short trick, means in the first A column alternate 1 zeros, then 2 0 2 1, then 4 0 4 1, and 8 0 and 8 1. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is 0 1.
हेलो सर
हाँ,
सर मेरी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लीजिएगा सर। मेरी थोड़ा तबीयत खराब है और सर दादी जी की भी तबीयत खराब होगी, थोड़ा एडमिट है सर, जाना है।
ओके ओके, नो इश्यू। आप जाइए, आप देखिए। आप अपने जो भी हैं ये अपने फ्रेंड से बता दीजिएगा, वो बता देंगे। ओके
ओके सर।
हो जाएगा सर, हो जाएगा।
0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1. Okay, then 2 0 2 1s. Yes. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1, and yeah, this is again 2 0 and 2 1. Then 4 0 4 1s. Yes. So this is 0 0 0. These are 4 zeros. Then 4 1s. Then 4 0 again. Then 4 1s, and finally 8 zeros and 8 1s. All 16 combination of the binary code, which you can generate with the help of 4 variable A, B, and C and
Yes,
D.
sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me your what are your BCD code? Your BCD code will start from all 4 zeros to 1 0 0 1. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So these codes are 0 0 zeros to up to 9 only, because this is 0, so 0, 0. So these are our BCD codes. So can we fill it completely? Stop, because we have given you one important note point that up to the 9, okay, up to the 9 there is no difference between the binary code and the BCD code. Okay. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we can
Yes,
fill
sir.
it. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is correct. Yes, because these are the all possible cases which we can have in case of BCD code. But what happened for the remaining means these means from 10 to 15? Yeah, because we are considering this and we have to design it. So for that shake means actually यहाँ से आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to start your new counter. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो न्यू काउंटर कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? देखिए ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज है। आप जैसे ही 10 के आगे बढ़ेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ेगा? B4 डिजिट को 1 करना पड़ेगा। ओके, B4 डिजिट को 1 करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ से ये सारी चीजें क्या हो जाएंगी आपकी? 0, 0, 0 एंड 0।
2 लाख 10-15 लाख मुर्गियां मार दी गई।
कुणाल म्यूट कर लो।
ओके,
कुणाल
हेलो हेलो।
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I am trying to say that after 10 the reset counter will give you these all 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, and from here again you will start from all the zeros and complete it up to the 15. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1,
1, 1.
1. This is 0, 1, 0, 0, and this is 0, 1, 0 and 1. Okay. Okay. And for the sake of simplicity, what you can do, you can put it these all. I mean, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now if somebody says that sir, we have only 4 digit BCD code, you have inserted a new 5th digit in BCD code, then this is for the sake of extended BCD you can say, but for that you have to introduce 1 and start your counter from the 0. Okay, so this table is very much important because on the basis of that only you will able to make code converter. Okay, so all of you, this table is clear?
Yes, sir.
सर ये 10 से क्यों करा आपने?
मतलब क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने बताया ना कि बीसीडी कोड तो हमारे केवल 9 तक ही होते हैं ना।
यस सर।
बीसीडी कोड तो हमारे 9 ही तक होते हैं ना, तो 9 के बाद अगर 10 आ गया तो 10 को बीसीडी कोड में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? उसके लिए आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा 1, बेसिकली एक्स्ट्रा 1 नहीं है बल्कि इसके आगे और 3 जीरो भी है, यानी 0, 0, 0, 1। आपको याद होगा ना जब हमने बीसीडी एडिशन और वो सब कराए थे।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you want to represent 10, then 10 will be represented by 0, 0, 0, means each digit will be represented by its 4-bit binary equivalent. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 1. And that's why this is represented with the 5-digit number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, sir.
हाँ,
सर एक क्वेश्चन था, मतलब पीछे का क्वेश्चन है कोड्स का ये। सर आपने एक चीज बोला था कि अगर हम लोग किसी कोड के वेट को जोड़ देते हैं, ऐड कर देते हैं, और अगर वो 9 के बराबर आ जाता है तो फिर वो सेल्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग होगा। लेकिन सर अगर हम लोग इसका बीसीडी का ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा 9 नहीं आएगा ना, जबकि सेल्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग है।
BCD is a self-complementing. No, I think we did not give you this kind of note.
यस सर, कोई और कोड था बीसीडी के साथ, कोई और कोड था जिसका मतलब ऐड करने पे 9 नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन तब भी वो सेल्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग था सर, ऐसा एक कोड था कोई।
So just
मैं
share
आपको
with me. हाँ, मुझसे share करना, फिर then we will discuss on that. No problem.
ठीक सर।
Okay. So first of all, tell me this table is clear to all of you.
यस सर।
Okay. And now our task is just to, because these A, B, C, D, these are our inputs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, these are our outputs.
Output.
Okay, so there are certain conditions. Okay, means simple. If you want to simplify, or if you want to write the B0 expression in general using this table by following the min term approach, then you can write it easily. But that will be unsimplified Boolean expressions. Okay, for example, if I want to write the B0 expression. B0 expression, then tell me what will be the B0 expressions? Summation m, and this will be 1 3 then 5
7
huh? 7
7
huh?
9 9 11
9
11
13 15.
15
What about the B1? This is sigma m.
2
Huh?
2 3 2 3
B1 can be written as sigma m 2 3 then
6 7
6 7 then
10 11
10 11 then
14 15
14 15. सही बताइएगा, मैं आप पे बिलीव करके लिख रहा हूँ, गलत मत बताना.
Yes, sir.
Then B2 will be written as sigma m and
B1 में 10 होगा, देख लीजिए एक बार।
12 13 होगा,
12 13 होगा
12 13 होगा, 10 1 नहीं होगा, 10 11 नहीं होगा।
सर 12 और 13 है 10 नहीं है।
रुको, जब बता गलत करवा दिया ना, 2 3 6 7 और
सर 12 13 होगा।
यहाँ पर केवल 12 13 होगा ना।
यस सर, यस सर।
क्या क्या हटाना है?
सर 10 हटा दीजिए,
10 हटा
के बाद
दीजिए।
सर 10 14
हाँ, क्या बचेगा? 6 7 के बाद ये था
12 13 12 13
12 and 13. And what about B2? B2 will be your
4 5
चुप रहा।
4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7
7
14 15
14 15। यस सर।
14
14
15. Then tell me B3. B3 is sigma
8 9
8 9
B3 is 8 9. 8 9 only, na?
yes sir,
yes sir
9. And what about B4?
sir
B4
10 11
10 to 15।
sigma m
10 11 12 13 15
10 11 10
13
12
13
13 14
14 15
and 15. Okay, so these are the output Boolean expression for BCD code, you can say. Okay, so these are the output, or better to write unsimplified output Boolean expressions. Output Boolean expression. So now what is our next task? We try to reduce these Boolean expression up to some extent, so that the minimum number of gate is required to implement this code converter. Yes. And to do so, what we have to follow means we can use either the Boolean algebra or the K-map. So now we are going to use take the help of K-map. Okay, and when we are going to use the this K-map for simplify these expression B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, then of course this B0 will be a function of 4 variable A, B, C, D. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4, these all 5 outputs are actually the function of 4 input variable A, B, C, and D. Okay. So what we means if we are going to simplify it these expressions, then how many number of cells K map is required?
16.
Yes, 4 2 raised to the power 4 means 16 cells Karnaugh map is required. So now I am going to insert one new page and I am going to make this 16 cell K map. And because we are trying to solve for means general case, so we are considering 2 variable here because we have written like this. This will be DC and this is BA. These all are input, and yes, you can write it like this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. You can also write it like this is your if you write this as so you can write this is as B bar because we are using the min-term map. So this is B bar, A bar, this is B bar, A, this is B A, and this is B A bar. And what about this? This is D bar, C bar, this is D bar, C, this is D C, and this is D C bar. And yes, of course, row and column wise, if you group all the minterms, so the first minterm will be all 4 zeros. Yes. So at the corner, you can write the decimal equivalent of that also. This will be your, this is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is your 14 and 15. Okay, this is clear. I think there is no doubt in this.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
So now what means because we have how many output Boolean expression we are having? 5.
5.
So we have to solve all those 5 Boolean expression using this for a 16 cell K map. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to take a copy of this so that this will make our life comfortable. Okay. All right, one more I think I am required because that we will take in new page here. So what we can say, this first, let's say this first map is for, this is for, let's say B naught. This is for let's say B1. This is for B2. This is for B3, and this is for B4. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now let's take these Boolean expression again and let us try to simplify it. I'm just writing it here to memorize all the minterms, then we will delete it, no problem. Okay. So in the for B naught, tell me which cell we have to fill.
1,
This is
3, 5,
1, 3,
3, 5,
5,
7,
7,
9,
9,
11, 13,
11, 13, and
15, 15.
15. Okay. So what is the maximum size group you can observe in this K map?
So, okay.
Quad bundle, sir.
Huh? 8
Quarter,
cells. These are
okay,
8
okay.
adjacent, these are the 8 adjacent cell map you can easily see. Okay, so you can make a group of these 8 cells. Okay. So after simplification, what you will get?
Sir, A.
A, sir.
Huh?
A, sir. A.
A. Very good answer. And this is very interesting actually, because what you can write over here, because you are trying to solve B naught, and when you solve it, you will get A. And if you remember the note point which we have given you at the time of grouping of these cells, if means, for example, if we make a pair, then how many variables eliminated? 1. If you make a quad, then 2 variables eliminated. If we make a group of 8 adjacent cells, then of course 3 variable eliminated. Initially, this B naught is a function of 4 input variables A, B, C, D. But when we make a group of these minterms associated with this means B naught expression, then of course we are able to have a this octet, and in case of octet we eliminate 3 variables. So you can easily see that B naught is now just a function of A only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's try to solve the B1 expression. So let's write first the minterms in the map. So we have to write in, this is 2, then
3,
3,
6, 7,
then this is 6, this is 7,
12, 13.
this is 12, this is 13. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Any other? No.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So tell me what kind of grouping we can make. One
Sir,
pair
one
and
quad,
One
one
quad,
pair,
one
one
quad, one quad,
quad. Very
one
good.
quad, one
Excellent.
pair.
So this is one quad, and if you solve this quad, then what you will get?
D bar B.
B, D bar.
Huh?
D bar B.
D bar.
This is your D bar and
B.
B. And yes, you also have one pair here. Okay. So if you solve it, then what you will get?
DC.
D, DC, B bar.
DC.
Huh?
DC B bar.
B bar, C, D.
This is D
B bar.
and B bar. So if somebody asks you that you have to write the Boolean expression for B1, then the Boolean expression for B1 can be written as D C B bar plus
D bar B.
D bar B. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
by inspection only you can see, because these were initially unsimplified Boolean expression for starting from B0 to B4 are a huge Boolean expression, but once we use this K-map technique, then you can see there is a very small, there is a reduced Boolean expression we are having, and with this reduced Boolean expression, of course, a lot of means very less number of logic gate is required to implement that. Otherwise, if you directly use directly implement this B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, then there is a great number of logic gate is required to implement these Boolean expression. Okay, so this is the utility, this is the beauty of these Karnaugh map technique to reduce the Boolean expression. Okay, let's move on to for B2. So tell me, first we will fill map these all minterms, the map of for B2. So B2 we will have to fill means fill 4,
5,
5,
6, 7,
6 and 7. Then
14, 15.
where is the 14? 15 and 15. So now tell me, what you can, how you can.
So two chords.
Yes, excellent. Two chords. One is means you can have a horizontal chord like this. And another chord you can make like this. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So when you solve it, then tell me how you can write it.
D
For
bar
example,
B, CB.
this is
D bar C.
D bar C, and this is
BC.
BC. BC.
BC.
D,
BC.
and row wise what is
BC.
column? Row wise C is column, na? Common.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
BC होगा
C, and column wise what is common? B.
B.
CD. CB, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can means finally write the B0 B2 expression as B2 is equal to B
C.
bar C plus C.
CB.
Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the B3. So you have see one more important thing which you should have to know, means I am not filling the blanks. Okay. Hello. मैं बहुत इसके मैप में केवल जो मिनटर्म दिए थे मैं वहां पे ही रख रहा हूँ और बाकी खाली छोड़ रहा हूँ. बहुत सारी टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्चुअली क्या करेगा कि उस खाली जगह में वो क्या करते हैं 000 भर देते हैं.
Yes, sir.
है ना. तो 0 भरते हैं, लेकिन ग्रुप अगर हम मिनटर्म मैप की बात कर रहे हैं तो मिनटर्म में हम केवल 1 की ही ग्रुपिंग करते हैं ना भाई.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
तो
sir.
आप चाहो तो 0 भर सकते हो और चाहो तो छोड़ सकते हो. इट इज एंटायरली अप टू यू. ओके. So now let's solve for B3. So B3 we have to fill where?
8, 9.
8 and 9. Where is 8? Where is 8? This is here we have 8 and here we have 9. So I think we can make a group, yeah?
Yes, sir.
DC bar.
And if we solve this group,
BC bar. D bar.
how we can write
D bar, D bar.
this? B3 is equal to B3 is equal to D C bar,
B bar.
D bar and B bar, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is now let's solve for B4 also. This is B4, and for B4 what are the minterms starting from 10 to 15? Yeah, 10 to 15. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So can you tell me what kind of grouping you can make this?
Sir,
Two chords.
Two chord.
Two chords. Yes, very good. Two chords you can make. One is this is a horizontal chord, and if you solve it, then you will get a DC. And another chord you can have like this here. This is another chord. and if you solve it,
D.
then what you will get?
D.
You will get
DB.
you will get D and B. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So finally, you can
Okay.
write the expression for B4 also. So B4 is equal to DC plus
D.
DB.
D.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, can you write all the Boolean expression here? We can write now. So the B naught simplified Boolean expression B naught
B not equal A.
is equal to
A.
A. B1 is equal to
DC B bar plus D bar B.
DC B bar plus D bar B. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then B2 is equal to
D bar C plus CB.
D bar C plus CB. What about this B3?
D C bar B bar.
Huh?
D C bar B bar.
D C bar B. And what about
Sir, B bar है.
B4? Huh?
B bar है, sir.
अच्छा, D bar,
सब भी बार
Yes,
D
sir.
C bar B bar, right?
Yes, sir.
And what about B4? Just we have
D.
right here over here. That means this is DC
Plus D.
plus DB.
DB.
So these you can say these are actually the simplified Boolean expression for binary to BCD converter. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next thing we have to do?
Sir,
No.
diagram logic. Diagram
Huh?
बना. Diagram.
Implement करेंगे.
We have to implement the logic diagram. Okay. So let's draw it.
सर अभी यहाँ
So,
पे
first-
K-map से नहीं होता तो यहाँ पे बूलियन अलजेब्रा लगाना पड़ता अगर K-map से नहीं सॉल्व होता ये तो.
हाँ, तो बूलियन अलजेब्रा से लगाते, कॉमन लेते, फिर उसमें एसोसिएटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव ये सब थ्योरम लगाते, फिर पता नहीं ये आते नहीं आते, बट एक सिस्टमैटिक ढंग से करने में देखो कितने आसानी से ये रिड्यूस होके आ गई ना.
Yes, sir.
है ना. So this is the advantage of K-map. Okay. So now let's implement it. Okay. So first of all, let me draw the all the input terms which we can associate. So, so let us consider this is for D, and I will duplicate it. This is for D, this is for C, and this is for D. And do we require the complement of A in any Boolean expression?
No, sir. We
No.
single. No, sir.
No problem. So we simple draw one line to represent A. Okay. So these are all inputs. These are this is A. Yes. This is B, and of course this is B bar. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is C, and this will be C bar because it is passed through a NOT gate. So you will have a C bar line, and similarly we will have D and D bar line. Okay. So now let's implement, and first means B naught. What is required? Huh?
A, sir.
Simple A. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this, I'll just do nothing, and I'll simple write it like this, and this is my B naught. Okay, because B naught is equal to Is it so or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then second B1 is a again a SOP, and which you can implement with the AND OR logic. So you require two AND gate whose inputs will be D, C, and B bar, and another gate AND gate input will be D bar B, and that will be 1-2 input OR gate is required to implement this B1. Okay, so I am going to do that. I'm first try to make one AND gate. Okay, what I am trying to means just want to make this hello.
Hello.
हेलो सर,
सर की वॉइस आ रही
वॉइस
है?
नहीं आ रही।
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगी, रुक जाओ।
सर का वॉइस ब्रेक है क्या? ब्रेक हो रहा है।
हेलो सर की वॉइस आ रही है?
नहीं भाई, सर की वॉइस
भाई
मुझे नहीं आ
नहीं, सर की वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
अटेंडेंस हो गई क्या?
रही।
शायद।
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम सर का।
अरे हम कह रहे अटेंडेंस हो गई क्या?
अभी नहीं हुई।
अभी नहीं।
ना भाई,
सर तुम कहाँ बैठे हो यार?
अबे यार
मार
बाहर जा रहे हैं, बस में है।
आशुतोष,
गुम्मस मार साहब को, गुम्मस है।
बस में।
हाँ क्या हुआ?
सर लेफ्ट हो गए क्या?
हाँ क्या हुआ?
भाई सर का
हाँ,
नेटवर्क
नेटवर्क
प्रॉब्लम है।
इशू होगा सर।
सर का नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
यार सर से बोल दो अटेंडेंस ले ले, बैटरी बहुत कम बची है भाई।
अबे तुम्हारी करते का हो गया?
चार्ज में घुसेड़ दो।
करते का हो गया?
रात भर कुछ करता होगा।
सुनो 50% चार्ज, 50% से सुबह से चल रहा है, अब खत्म नहीं होगा।
भाई हम लोगों का तो नहीं खत्म होता साला।
सर आ गए भाई।
अरे 3 क्लासें हो गए, उसके दिन भर से नेट चल रहा है। 50% चार्ज से 50% खत्म तो हो गया।
सर आ गए, सर आ गए, सर।
सर आ गए क्लास।
Hello,
यस सर।
यस सर।
यस सर वॉइस
यस
सर
सर।
अटेंडेंस ले लीजिए।
am I audible?
यस सर वॉइस आ रही है।
यस सर।
यस सर। यस सर।
So now tell me that I think there was some problem with the this net connectivity. Okay. Okay. So now tell me that what will be the input for this first AND gate?
DC B बार।
D, C, and B bar. Okay, so this is my D, this is D, and this is C, and this is B bar. B bar you can take it from here. Okay, so you will get your first term, and for the second term you will have to give the input D bar.
D।
Yes, so this is D bar, this is D bar, and B. This is B. Okay, this is B. So you will have your second term. And of course, we have told you that these are the SOP expression. So you can use the two-level AND OR logic to implement it. So in the first layer, first level you use AND gate. In the second level you have to use the OR gate. So these output you will go to the input like this. Okay, so you will have your implementation for the B1 expression. Okay, this is B1. All right.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now let's move on to implement the B2 expression. So again, for the implement the B2 expression, in B2 expression we have are two product terms which will be implemented using two AND gate. So let me take it from here. This is and of course one AND OR gate is also required. So I'm going to use that. Okay. So now tell me, in the first AND gate, what will be the input?
D बार से
D bar. So this is my D bar. This is D bar, and this is C. This is C. We'll take it from here. And in the second gate, CB. Yes.
CB.
yes sir
C. This is C, and this is D. Okay, and these two terms in the second level will go as an input to this OR gate. Okay, so you have finally, this is your B2. All right, and in the next we have this. Again, one AND gate is required to implement this product term in which the inputs are D, C bar and D bar. So let's take the inputs. So inputs are, this is D, D, then C bar. You can take it from class. छोड़ दो ना, क्या दिक्कत है क्लास करने की? क्लास छोड़ दो, ठीक है? All right, am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yes
Yes,
sir
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's implement finally this B4. So for again to implement the B4, how many AND gate is required?
Two.
Two AND gate. So I'll take it from here. And one OR gate. Yes. So I'm just not pasting this. So this is second and one OR gate, which I'll take it from here. And now tell me what will be the input to this first AND gate?
DC
DC.
DC
DC.
So this is my D and this is my C. Okay. So you'll have DC term. Then you will have DB. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is T and this is T. Okay. So this is your DB term. And these two terms will combine using one OR gate. Okay. So finally you will have your B4 implementation. Okay. Hello.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So interestingly, this is the implementation diagram in which these are your binary input. Okay, so here you will provide the binary code or binary input, and here you will have get your BCD code. Okay, this is your BCD code. And interestingly, you have to means keep into mind a very important concept of LSB and MSB, because this B0 is the LSB part. Okay, so this is the LSB of the BCD code, and this of course this is the MSB of the BCD code. All right. Or in general, what you can summarize that if you are considering the 4-bit case, then the B0, B1, B2 and B3 all together will represent the LSB, and the remaining B4 will represent your MSB part. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर एक कंफ्यूजन है
तो डी मल्टीप्लेक्सर और इसके नोट्स शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
Okay, so for this is the implementation or the logic diagram. This is the logic diagram for binary to BCD code convert. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.